Do you know about solar car keys? The first, power on. Insert a toothpick into the penultimate hole until the blue light flashed in the hole. Then swipe the NFC card to the program. The second, install. Now let me show you how to install. This is holes and buckles. Take the hole towards the buckle directly. Then pull up and it's locked. If you want to remove, just push down. The third, use. Push an FC close to solar car key. Unlock. Lock. Use the mobile phone app to control the vehicle. Unlock. Lock. You can also open the trunk.